Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Andy Nguyen, and I'm going to quickly compare the KBD67 Lite with the IKKI68 Aurora. The KBD67 Lite is an ABS plastic keyboard. It's extremely light. It is like a sandwich mount with a little bit of gasket and a case foam and plate foam, so it's kind of all in one package. It sounds really thocky and it's $109. There's a Bluetooth PCB option if you're so inclined, and it comes with a PC plate that I'm using here. IKKI68 Aurora is $129. It has RGB, it has gasket. You do less gaskets, you do more gaskets, adjusting the sound and feel of the board. And with the badge, you can swap that out and you can collect them, changing the look of your board very easily. And this one's a little bit heavier than the KBD67 Lite, but you can add a weight. Between the two, this one thocks everything. Super thocky board. This one, you can customize a lot more. The KO Hotswaps, there's a lot of options. You can do split space bar, you can do a ISO enter, you can do a split backspace. This one just has their standards 65% Hotswap layout, so you got your 6.2 value space bar, and that's it. Which one's better? Well, you like thock? Go for the KBD67 Lite. You want adjustability and collectability and being able to change your look? IKKI68 Aurora. And that's really it. Pick your preference and enjoy. See you in the next video. Bye.